today's tutorial is about keyword research. We will understand what is keyword research and how can we do keyword research for our blog or website. So there are different keyword planners and different keyword search tools which are available on the internet. Google Keyword Planner is a free tool by Google, and if you cannot afford a paid one, then you can use Keyword Planner also. Keyword Planner is a sufficient tool. A lot of bloggers use Keyword Planner for their keyword research. The only difference is that in a paid keyword tool, you will get an exact idea about the keyword volume, the difficulty, and other metrics. But Keyword Planner is also sufficient. It will give you a rough idea and you can work accordingly. Even Amit Agarwal of labnol.org recommends Keyword Planner for keyword search. So let us just check how to do keyword research for your website or blog. First of all, you need to create a Google Ads account. You can use your own Gmail ID. You can sign up with your Gmail account. After that, Keyword Planner is basically a tool in your Google Ad account. So you just have to visit Keyword Planner, then open this page. Just click on Discover New Keywords. So it gives you two options. You can start with keywords or you can start with a website. You can enter a complete website URL and you can check keywords which are available for the website. We will start with keywords. We will learn how to add keywords and how to search their volume. So whenever you are about to write a post, just make an Excel sheet of potential keywords or keywords that are in your mind. Try to make an Excel sheet for the same, and you can check keyword difficulty and keyword volume for all those keywords in Keyword Planner. For example, I want to check keyword density, keyword difficulty for a keyword best smartphones under 24. So let us just check this keyword. Let us check keyword density and the volume of the keyword for best smartphones under 20,000. Click on Get Results button. So here are the results of the keyword we entered. Let me just expand this particular column so that you can see it clearly. Okay, that much is okay. So these are the results. The first keyword it is showing the keyword idea is best smartphone under 20,000. So you have to look for keywords. Basically, Keyword Planner shows you keywords. The keyword difficulty is in three forms. It might be low, medium or high. So you cannot go with keywords which are having very high competition, You have to choose keywords which have low competition and have a good amount of volume. This is the number of searches. These are the number of searches for this particular keyword, monthly searches. Around 10,000 to 100,000 searches are done by users in a month for this particular keyword. So let us now move downwards. Let us see some low competition keywords. So these are all related keywords. Okay, what you can do is you can use the keyword filter. Like for example, you can use any kind of filter. For example, if you want to filter on the basis of keyword, so we are having three options: low, medium, or high. Save your time. So just click on the filter that you want. For example, we are looking only for low competition keywords, so we will click on low. Click on apply. So basically these are the low competition keywords which you can use. And it is a common thing that if competition will be low, then chances are that volume will also be low. But still there are many keywords which might be having high volume and low competition. So keyword research is the main thing that you have to do before writing your post, because without selecting proper keyword you cannot rank in Google, and without ranking your post will not observe any kind of a good amount of traffic. So it's of no use, because you will not be able to convert it into any kind of monetary benefits. Let us change our keyword. Let us look for some other keyword. For example, if you want to search best HD movies, click on get results. So the filter has been auto applied. Now you can see best HD movies 2018. Okay, best HD movies. This is a very good keyword. If you want, you can use it. It is having a very good volume, 100,000 to 1 million, and the competition is also very low. So it's a good opportunity for you, because I have shared a very good keyword with you, best HD movies. I myself have ranked on this particular keyword, so that's why this particular keyword was in my mind. In 2017, I used to rank on this particular keyword, and it used to bring a lot of traffic for my website. Let us see what all related keywords. What you have to do is you have to use a focus keyword, single focus keyword, and you can use related keyword in your article. You can, if you are using Yoast SEO, you can add a single focus keyword, and you can also use some related keywords in your and spread them in your blog post. But make sure that you do not overdo your keywords. You don't do keyword stuffing, because keyword stuffing will come under black hat SEO, and Google does not like it anymore. So no need of doing keyword stuffing. Just keep it natural. You can spread these related keywords at various places in different paragraphs. So these are the related keywords: best HD movies, best site to download.